Understanding a moment's thought. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations, a moment's thought. This phrase packs a lot of meaning into just a few words, and understanding it can help you appreciate the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. A moment's thought refers to a very short period of time spent thinking about something. It implies that only a brief amount of time is needed to consider or understand a concept, situation, or decision. This phrase can be used to suggest that something is straightforward, obvious, or requires minimal contemplation to grasp. This phrase can be versatile in its application. Here are a few ways to use a moment's thought in sentences. To emphasize simplicity or obviousness, anyone with a moment's thought would see the mistake. To suggest a need for brief consideration, give it a moment's thought before you decide. To express regret over a lack of consideration, I wish I had given it a moment's thought earlier. It's important to note the context in which you use this phrase, as it can change the meaning slightly depending on how it's applied. Let's put a moment's thought into context with some examples. 1. Reflecting on decisions. After a moment's thought, she realized that accepting the job offer was the right decision. 2. In literature, the character in the novel gave not a moment's thought to the consequences of his actions, leading to a series of unfortunate events. 3. Advice giving. You should always give a moment's thought to how your words might affect others. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various situations to convey the idea of brief contemplation or consideration. Understanding the phrase, a moment's thought, not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of subtle English expressions. It's a reminder of the power of reflection, even if just for a brief moment. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more English language nuances together in our upcoming videos.